I'm not a baker by any means. If you've been on this channel, you know that. But I'm going to try to make the best looking cake I possibly can today. And I don't know why. But I've seen a image on on Pinterest of a s'mores cake. So today we're going to be making a s'mores cake. Graham cracker, chocolate, marshmallows. 10 out of 10. We're going to attempt to try it. So let's get into it. So the first thing we're going to start with is graham crackers. Okay.
We have to start over again.
Why? You can be in my video. Graham crackers. We're going to make a s'mores cake. Yep. So I got some graham crackers here. And what we need to do is we need to smash them up. So if you have a food processor, you can use a food processor or a blender, whichever one. Whatever gets more, you need graham crackers. Hit that button. Okay, now hit this button. And we reduce it to a fine powder. Alright, let me get my cake pans. Let me use a stick of butter. Butter my pan so we don't get, I'm still going to spray it, but I'm going to butter it down too because I don't want nothing to stick. Butter. And take this and add it to a bowl. I'm gonna spray my pans down. I know I buttered them. And then we have our cake mix. I'm gonna use a chocolate-based cake mix. You can make your own. I was thinking about making my own, but I'm not going to. I had one box of chocolate left, and I said I'm gonna make it easy on myself. The point of this channel is simply cooking and simply figuring it out. Because I mean, we're parents, and you know. You see things and you're like, man, I wish I could do that. We're gonna try it. So if it works, it works. If it don't, it don't. But at least we gave it that good old college try. Here. One cup of water, and then I have a cup of vegetable oil. A little bit of sour cream. Alright, so my pie pans, or my cake pans, evenly distribute. to put these in the cake at 350 that they cook. Our cake is done, and I'm excited, but I'm not going to show you the cake just yet because I'm a little selfish. What I'm going to do, we're going to work on our marshmallow frosting, and then we're going to work on our chocolate frosting because we're going to use 2 different types of frosting. So butter in a bowl. My butter's melted. Marshmallow fluff. Powdered sugar, 1 cup. Splash of milk, just a little bit. This is my cake. The graham cracker crust looking phenomenal. Top not so much, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Now, marshmallow. So I got some hot fudge. Put that in there too. Okay, baby. We're gonna get our second layer. The same with our marshmallow. Hot fudge. You can make a chocolate ganache, which was an option. I was like, I have this hot fudge. Why not? Graham crackers. Top. Marshmallow. Alright, y'all. You got fudge pouring out the middle from the hot fudge that we poured in there. That cake looks delicious. That fudge, everything up there. This is amazing. It's rich. It's a bit heavy. And that's me saying it. But y'all, it's good. And it looks amazing. It looks amazing. S'mores cake. Perfect for the summer. Perfect for an outdoor barbecue. Have at it, y'all. I love you. I'll catch you in the next one. If you will, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.